Hi, and welcome to another edition of Teen Snack Attack. This is Andrew at the North Regional Library in Carencro, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make Kool-Aid pickles. They're fun, colorful, they might gross your friends and family out, but they're actually pretty tasty and they're a unique treat. They're also easy to make. You can use any color or flavor you want. My favorite so far is cherry. But let's get started. I'll show you how to make them. First, you're going to take a large bowl and place a colander or strainer on top. Then you're going to take a 32-ounce jar of dill pickles and strain the juice out. There we go. You're going to set the pickles aside. Then you'll add a 1/4 cup of sugar, a Kool-Aid packet of your choice, and mix it up well. All right, once it's mixed, you're gonna pour the juice and the Kool-Aid and sugar back into the pickle jar. Wow. And you're gonna add the pickles back into the jar. That's the hardest part, really. Once you put the pickles back into the jar, you're going to seal the jar and refrigerate for 5 days. After 5 days, you can take them out and enjoy them. Well, good. Enjoy, y'all. See y'all next time. Bye.